Hello students, today we'll start with the syllabus of semester 6 and from there the paper 2 applied biology and name of the paper is biotechnics, microtechnique, biotechnology, bioinformatics and biostatistics. The first unit is of biotechnique, second of microtechnique. The unit 3 is of biotechnology and unit 4 is of the bioinformatics and biostatics. From these four units, I will take the biotechnology and bioinformatics and biostatics, these two units for this semester. The unit 3, it is a biotechnology and the first topic in that is a 3.1 basic concepts in recombinant DNA technology, gene isolation method, shotgun cloning. Then second is the isolation of gene, the DNA manipulation enzyme, and in that the nucleases, ligases, polymerases. Then 3.3 is a basic concepts of cloning vectors and splicing, insertion of DNA, and ligation using blunt ends, cohesive ends, and cloning vectors. And last topic from this unit, that is the application of biotechnology, insulin, and vaccine production. The unit 4 is the bioinformatics and biostatistics. So today we'll start with the unit 3, that is the biotechnology, and from that 3.1 basic concepts in recombinant DNA technology. So 3.1 is what the basic concepts in recombinant DNA technology. Before starting with these, we should know what is the recombinant DNA molecule and what is the gene cloning. The recombinant DNA is a form of artificial DNA that is created by combining two or more sequences that would not normally occur together through the process of gene splicing. Means what is recombinant DNA? It is a form of artificial DNA that is combined by two or more sequences that would not normally occur together and they will express themselves. Then the recombinant DNA technology is a technology which allows the DNA to be produced via artificial means. The procedure has been used to change the DNA in living organisms and may have even practical uses in the future. This recombinant DNA, that is the two types, one is a positive eugenics and another one is a negative eugenics. What is positive eugenics? To whatever the organism is there, by adding the new genes to them, what you can wo- you can make it superior, and that is called as a eugenics. That is a positive eugenics. And what is negative eugenics? If any individual having the lethal genes, or the genes are missing, or there may be the mutation in the genes, the correction of these genes and to the normal one, that we call it as a negative eugenics. So that is the this see this is a Chinese dragon, and this Chinese dragon, if you observe, it is a mythical creature that can fly and walk. Then dragon can change its form and has a divine powers to summon wind and the rain. The dragons are said to be made up of many different types of animals on the earth. What you can see in this dragon? The nine parts. The what? It having the deer's antlers. Then it having the head of the camel. It having the eyes of the hare. Then neck of the snake. Then scales of the carps or the fishes. It having the claws of the eagle. It having the paws of the tiger, and it having the ear of the ox. So such type of the individual is not possible naturally. Okay, what the different characters or the genes of the different characters, we are isolating these genes and combined together or combined within an organism and to make the what that is a novel individual, so that such type of the technology is called as a recombinant technology. Means in recombinant DNA technology, we isolate the desired gene and it introduced into the host where that gene will express itself, so that, so this is a recombinant DNA technology. This Chinese dragon, it is a mythical character. Such type of the character is not possible biologically, but what if you introduce the what that is the what the genes which are isolated from one individual into the what genome of the another organism, it will express itself in the another organism. Such type of the technology is called as a recombinant technology. Then, this recombinant DNA technology is one of the recent advances in biotechnology, which was developed by two scientists named the Boyer and Cohen in 1973. This is a Cohen, that is a Stanley Cohen, and this is a uh, and Herbert Boyer. That the this is a Herbert Boyer, and the what this is a Stanley Cohen. He received the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1986 for his work on discoveries of growth factors. And these Stanley and Cohen and the Herbert Boyer constructed the first recombinant DNA using the bacterial DNA and the plasmids. Means they have used the bacterial DNA and the plasmids. The recombinant DNA technology works by taking DNA from two different sources and combining that DNA into a single molecule. That alone, however, will not do so much. The recombinant DNA only becomes useful when that artificially created DNA is reproduced, and this is known as the DNA cloning. The identical copies can be made of this created DNA artificially, then it is called as what? The DNA cloning. The basic concepts in recombinant DNA technology is what? The recombinant technology begins with the isolation of gene of an interest, and the target gene is then inserted into the vector molecule or carrier molecule to form the replicon, and then replicon is introduced into the host cell to be cloned, and either it will express protein or not, and the cloned replicon is referred as recombinant DNA, and the procedure is called as a recombinant DNA technology. The cloning is necessary to produce the multiple copies of DNA since initial supply is inadequate to insert into the host cell. So these are the certain terms which are the what synonyms for the what this recombinant DNA technology, that is the genetic engineering, or you can call it as a gene manipulation, or you can call it as a recombinant DNA technology, or it is also called as a molecular cloning, or it is also called a gene cloning or genetic modification. All these are the same terms which are which are to the what that is a recombinant DNA technology. The cloning, what is the cloning? A clone is a population of identical organisms derived from single parental organism. For example, the members of colony of bacterial cell that arise from a single cell on a petri plate are clones. Molecular biology has borrowed the term to mean a collection of molecules or cells all identical to an original molecule or cell.